Okay then, let's have a look at 7a. Y is equal to minus x squared plus 5x minus 9. Find dy dx from first principles. Okay, I've written it down, so let's have a go at it then. So here, dy dx then is equal to the lim as h. So just write down the definition. It's f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. And that equals then, give yourself plenty of room on the page because we're going to need it. Limit of h tends to 0 of, now this fx plus h, put in the value x plus h instead of x, is our input value, so it's minus x plus h squared plus 5 x plus h minus 9. Take away the f of x now, we've got three terms, so put a bracket, minus x squared plus 5x minus 9 all over h, so that's equal to then the lim as h tends to 0. Now we need to tidy things up, minus all this stuff here, so run the minus through the three terms that come out. We've got minus x squared minus, the middle terms will be 2xh, so that's a minus 2xh then, plus the h squared, and that plus and the minus is a minus the h squared. That's those three terms taken care of, and the minus has been put through all of them. Plus the 5 times these two, 5 times x is plus 5x. And then you've got 5 times h, 5h, minus 9. Run the minus through these now. So minus times a minus is a plus. And then minus times a plus is a minus. And then lastly, minus times a minus is a plus. And they'll all be divided by h. So that's equal to then lim h tends to 0. Now let's cancel down what we've got top and bottom here, so if we can tidy this up. We've got a minus x squared and a plus, so they can cancel. We've got, what else have we got? We've got a plus 5x and a minus 5x. We've got a minus 9 and a plus 9. Yeah, and that just leaves 1, 2, 3 terms on the top. They all have an h common on the top. So we can take an h outside a bracket, and we'll have minus 2x here for the first, minus an h for the second, because we've pulled an h out, and then we need a plus 5, don't we? All divided by h. Now we can cancel the h common top and bottom, and we can write down the answer. So that will be now the limit of this, as h tends to 0, this will tend to 0, and we'll be simply left with minus 2x plus 5. There we go, that's 7a done. Great. And you can just check visually, this differentiates to minus 2x, doesn't it? Plus 5. So that looks as though we're along the right lines, aren't we, when we've done that. Good.